Hi guys! Today on Tech Product, we're exploring the top 3 best earbuds cleaning kit designed to keep your devices spotless and extend their life. From portable multi-tools to precise cleaning pens, these kits make maintaining your gadgets simple and efficient. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the Abelarde Earbuds Cleaning Kit. The Abelarde Earbuds Cleaning Kit is a thoughtfully designed solution for keeping your electronic devices pristine. Featuring a 3-in-1 multifunctional design, this kit goes beyond simple cleaning, offering versatility for a range of gadgets. Its compact and lightweight construction makes it highly portable, allowing you to maintain the cleanliness of your devices wherever you go. This cleaning kit is engineered for universal compatibility, making it suitable for a wide array of earbuds, including the 3 Pro Case Phone 13, as well as other personal electronic devices. The kit comes with 13 brush heads, providing a comprehensive approach to removing dust, debris, and buildup from even the smallest crevices of your earphones and gadgets. Each brush is designed to reach areas that are typically difficult to access, ensuring a detailed clean. Constructed from durable plastic, the Abelarde cleaning pen is built to withstand regular use, offering reliability and long-term performance. Its sturdy build ensures that it remains a dependable companion for routine maintenance, helping to extend the life and performance of your devices. With this kit, keeping your earbuds and electronic accessories clean becomes a simple, efficient, and portable task, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain their gadgets in top condition. The Abelarde Earbuds Cleaning Kit combines practicality, durability, and ease of use, presenting a complete solution for device hygiene without adding bulk or complexity. Next up, at number 2, comes the Baseus CL01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit. The Baseus CL01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit is a thoughtfully designed tool aimed at keeping your electronic devices spotless. Engineered for compatibility with a wide range of smartphones, including iPhone, Xiaomi, Samsung, iPad, Huawei, and Lenovo, this cleaning kit ensures that your devices stay free from dust and debris. Its lightweight plastic construction makes it easy to handle and carry, allowing users to maintain cleanliness wherever they go. One of the standout features of the CL01 kit is its retractable design, which provides smart storage and easy access to the cleaning tool whenever needed. This makes it convenient for on-the-go cleaning without worrying about losing or damaging the brush. The kit is versatile, equipped to handle cleaning tasks for AirPods, earphones, phones, and other small electronic devices. Its sponge brush is gentle yet effective, removing dirt and grime from even the most delicate surfaces. The dual brush head design is another highlight, offering deep cleaning capabilities for earbuds and AirPods cases. Whether it's removing dust from tiny crevices or ensuring that your devices remain hygienic, the CL01 covers all cleaning needs. This makes it not just a tool for maintenance, but also a reliable solution for troubleshooting and preserving the performance of your devices. Compact, practical, and multifunctional, the Baseus CL01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit is tailored for anyone looking to keep their gadgets in pristine condition without hassle. Its thoughtful design and versatile cleaning capabilities make it a handy companion for tech users, combining efficiency and portability in a single, easy-to-use package. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit. The Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive solution designed to keep your audio devices and other gadgets spotless. This multifunction cleaning tool caters to a wide range of needs, from headphones and earphones to keyboards, phones, and more, making it an all-in-one accessory for maintaining electronic devices. The kit features an upgraded headphone cleaning pen designed to be both softer and sharper, ensuring precise cleaning without causing any damage. Its silicone tip allows for gentle yet effective cleaning of your earphones, even reaching deep into hard-to-access areas. This makes it ideal for removing dirt and debris from the most intricate parts of your devices. For earphone grills, a soft brush is included, specifically crafted to clean speaker holes carefully, maintaining optimal sound quality. Additionally, a cotton swab is provided to clean earphone cases and other small areas, helping you maintain hygiene and device longevity. Portability is another key feature of the Ugreen CP01. Lightweight and compact, it is convenient to carry, allowing for quick cleaning anytime, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Its versatile design ensures that it can be used not only for earphones, but also for a variety of other devices, including phones and keyboards, making it a practical tool for daily maintenance. With the Ugreen CP01 Earbuds Cleaning Kit, keeping your devices clean becomes simple, precise, and efficient. Its combination of specialized tools and portability makes it an essential accessory for anyone who values both cleanliness and the longevity of their electronics. Amazing lineup of cleaning kits. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more top tech picks.